Welcome on, hope all is well, you guys. So in today's video, we have Queenie just giving us a brief on her life story. She was explaining her throwback videos 5 years ago when the security spot on her, how she started music. I know some little funny in-between stories.
Losers, winners, weepers, and finders, keepers. So when you lose, you weep, you mourn, you stress, you depress, you have so much emotion, your brain's got 100 miles a minute, what about your nerves? And when you win, you're so excited, joyful, it's a balance. So I've been through my worst patch, and I adore it as much as I adore it's a good patch. It's a challenge. Life challenge. So in life, you win that Grammy. Oh, everyone, congratulations. Them lift you up. Them sweep you off of the floor. Them wash your foot. Them drink the water. Them look out your ass. Look out your body hole. All of the slime them. I'm just me. I just like to talk rude and dirty. That's just fucking me. You don't like it? Just fucking bite it. But as I was saying, I know you win. It's like when you as a young girl, you're pregnant, and you're pregnant, them condemn you, say you go breathe, or you this, or you breathe before you drop out of school, or this and that. After the 9 months, you're stressed, and the baby father, this or whatever. A lot of that happened in Jamaica. I can speak for Jamaica. And you send the baby born, you send that pitney pluck out of your pussy. One difference up for them to the baby. You have to go through the worst patch in your life to get the best. So you said me a ball and a scream, I hide out of the bush, I roll it at the gug and something. My glory is coming. Glory be to God. I'm nice, you know. Yeah, I do my ear 3 times in a 3 day. I lie 4 times. Hey, man, I could eat that still, you know. Why don't you take me a break? Breakdown. Come here, I could eat that. But crazy never blood clot. Louis, I love this. And you see security man? 5 years ago. I just come from Jamaica. And so I go shopping over here. I'm going to the store. With my handbag on my shoulder. Take up my handbag out of the store, put on my shoulder. Remember, I'm still in the store. The security come up to me and say, give me the handbag. Say, do me full of chat and I take it back. I said, nah, I'm still into the store. You're out of order. I don't come out of the store. So when I said that to him, I say, body language not right towards me, innit? Remember, me all shoplifter and some quick thinking, innit? Me all cool, done. So because I'm body language, I say, no, this look like me give that money a fucking member. So I take his handbag off of my shoulder because you're entitled to model the things in the show. If it's a shoes, you can't put it on. Handbag, you can't put it on, innit? So I take off the man handbag off of my shoulder. Look for me. You know why I'm going to post it? I go cry. Don't cry, Queenie. Please don't cry. Don't cry, woman. Don't cry. Be strong because you're strong. You know why I'm going to post the video today? I never know I would have overcome the video. You see the amount of time, every time I drive past Mother Kira Wood Green, my eye full of water, I want to stop and fight the man. Because the man naturally spit on me for free. You understand me? But back to the reason now. You see the man spit when I take off the man handbag, the store handbag, I go hang it back down at the back of the store when I get the handbag. Hey, I need to get my TV show and I'm going to go through some things, you know. That's why I'm so defensive, you know. I not been a red carpet, you know. That's God Almighty truth. I'm sorry. You see, if I choose to be red carpet, I will. Because I choose to. Back to the man. So I'm going to put down the handbag now. I have one of the river. Remember that fitness store that some have one of the little monkey suit, little banana baby something in my hand. But I put back the bag because the bag himself to give him in it. So I put back the bag though, I go down. Can remember polite and nice even though I'm a pig, you know. Come nice first before I get awful. So I make the red carpet first, make you walk by me, and then I say, alright, cycle now. Me I go walk back by you now. So I put on the bag now, I have this in my hand. So I go and say, I touch him, so. I say security, and him said, don't touch me. So they say when him say don't touch me with the attitude is another insult. Like remember a friend me I beg for the man now because he say man think me I got thief the bag in it. So I say security and him said don't touch me. This one I have in my hand. I say hold on the dirty something. And throw it down and the man just got so too. I couldn't believe so the man spit on me. So I say the man spit on me, I just go in my back pocket and say right where the video start. Oh God, my head start hurt me. For years I couldn't overcome the video there. As tough as me is, as rough as awful and disrespectful as me is. I remember I go to one party a month after the video. And the security man said to me, oh, Queenie, you're going to spit on security. I said, that's it for example. I said, whoa. I didn't even go in the dance, I turn back. I never answered the security. I turn back. It's my dignity and my dignity. It's my feelings that me alone can't protect it. I'm a turn back. Never got a party. Just because him tell me that, because him don't know what me feel. It's every time I pass Wood Green and pass Mother Care, I wind down with him. I said, that is security drunk reduction. You split by me. It hurt me. Queenie love Bali, but I look good. And round a year ago, me and Nasa drive right where I live. I see him. I just want to go make friend with him, because life goes on, just talk to him, and him run. My video him too, you know. But me not chop, me not post it. Because it's not about that. You see the day when the man spit on me, I tremble. It's all when I say to him, say, lick me because you're up on camera, me, I blood clot, tremble, I kick the man, kick after me. I said, me say the man, kick after me, I said, no! Me give that man a pussy and a member. Me fuck this a man and a hide, me a fool myself. Me just go back and me say, Nas, that time Nas have her belly, you know, and I sit down across the road in a car, you know. 2 minutes from the store, I'm going to go cross the road. I say, Nas, them I forgot deport me. The security just spit on me now. Laugh, Queenie. The security just spit on me in a Mother Care. This is how I said to my daughter, shut up music. Calm down, Queenie, calm down. Yeah. But just said to her, I said, Nas, them I forgot deport me, you know, because the security just spit on me in a Mother Care. I spit him up back. I will spit him up back, him kick after me. Are the two worst things that ever a man could have do to you as a woman growing up in my culture. See somebody spit by you and then kick it. Me never catch a kick. Yes, sir, me say, lick me, I kick him and I kick after me, you know. Hey, me I tell you, say, you know, you see phone I'm having in a video, me and him and my teeth and my dick and everything what my father teach me, I grab him blood clot, balls, you know. You see me say someone that disrespect me, and I come talk about me, forget pies and I talk something about me, just easy back side and laugh at that, I say, smile a while. Because if me catch you in a real blood clot life, nothing like internet badness or a proven badness. Arts badness. Hear the difference. Not proven badness, nor internet badness. Heart, fuck, fight, or funeral. When the time come, me's one of the biggest blood clot fool I idiot. And we'll lie down and be a red carpet because I will play any role. Because I know my worth, my value. And I know my journey. You say maybe he's a fool. But the sweetest, nicest blood clot fool. Yeah, man, the man spit pa my wicked man. Me never know I could have overcome it. You know I could have post. I me video it not me. When me a video, when I back out the camera and say me gonna put up on social media, I'm gonna go across the road and tell my daughter. I'm gonna post it and I see it go viral because this was in March. And then in November the 20th, the year prior, I go viral for a kangaroo video. I say next disgrace this. take it down. And my daughter said, don't. God bless my pity them. Them said, don't take it down, mommy. It is what it is. Him spit by you for true. So me hear someone a bumble all that talk. Me not thief nothing. But him know me a shoplifter from the kangaroo video where the girl put up for me. That's straightforward. What me say? Yes, you never know so the Queen is a shoplifter. Yes, Queen is a gangster. It's 29 times I got prison. No lie. It's my history. Why should I be ashamed of who I was? It made me stronger today. And make me can't compare the internet as kill out and I'm a nasty curry blood clots. All of the fall blood clots to each of them. The fall eat them with the pandits. Because me true liar right crazy them. Me talk about the security and them my head hurt me. Yeah, but I never know me that overcoming. That's what could have put it on my page. I said, bumbo clot time I really Eli. It traumatized me. Because when I see that time the day, I say, girl, yeah man. Yeah. I go through so much in our life. Watch me attack and the whole I burden start. My head just get tight, so tight. Remember 5 minutes before I wish I leave my shopping center there, you know. So you know, every time I pass it, they say the man and blood clot me till them fire him out, them ship him out till the store locked down. But you see, memories don't live like people do. And them jeer me laugh after me, you know, but you see who feels it knows it. I say, look how them people take the piss out of me and them would even know. When a pot of water throw up and blood clot and it burn you up, and no matter how you come and love me, I say, Queenie, I'm sorry for your hush. You plaster it, you kiss it, you lick it with your tongue, you put treasure upon it. You still not feel me blood clot feel. Me I look for an old papi show. They don't ask me need for section. But cool, nice, good me both section. Me never take cocaine in my life. Me never take Molly. Me never take Scully. The only blood clot me smoke a ganja. And like a dirty beverage what them call alcohol. And me is not an alcoholic. I see me with 1 cup, you know, I see me with 2 blood clot cup. You don't never. If me drunk, me choose to say, yeah, me go drunk tonight. I'm a son of sit down and discriminate because of our character. I said, but could be there? We just sit back and laugh. Today one woman asked me, say, all of them something you say on internet are true. I say, if you know me so much ears and things, I go say them something and them not real. What you think the people that want to know me I go say? The man spit for me wicked. I was sexy the day and I was like a sucker and dress, you know. I threw me on the coat and then I said the dress. My dress sexy, me too nice, stiff titty, you know. And me I say, oh dear, this man for spit as a man. Me not this man, you know, that one, me, you know. Hey, God, hey, some people that on the earth for some different thing, you know. God did just send a man if you trouble me for me go viral for be an example for showing us me is a bad blood clot, bitch. I mean I take blood clot for because all if they kick me, beat me, kill my blood clot and that mad. You know see how much spit me give him? Me not even know if the man spit catch which part it catch me the way me can't believe the man spit for me. Me I say what? The man spit for me everything at me maybe not even not 2 minutes, maybe in a minute, maybe not 30 seconds, everything just done and the woman them in the store on the till. And the dirty woman from Tottenham I go tell the police give me headache, you know. It's when you're real and your truth is your truth, you know. And the woman in the yeah, and the woman them in the store on the till, you know. Sit down there like them agree for the man spit for me, you know. The workers them, you know, the manager, it's all on a dirty stinking, hey, I don't want class, blood clot, only, you know. And the woman who did in the store from Tottenham, I call the police and tell the police, well, oh, she thinks she's unstoppable. Me is fucking unstoppable because God made me like this. Yeah? God made me like this. After me no murder no blood clot body for man spit by me and me sit down now. See, it can be history there and the truth is told. Me never had to act right this, so me I be my blood clot self and I defend myself and that 5 years ago. So when I try to tell me, so when they behind fake page type, that's nothing to me. I threw my mouth light, cause I used to eat chicken batty when me blood clot little bit. I'm a mouth light now, I'm a class and a dirty blood clot, but you can't do nothing to me. Me get out with life. I 3 times fee, 4 times fee week me do my ear. Me not go nowhere. Me just act. Me just that. You understand? No matter what I say, when you can see this nice, focused, clean skin woman On the move on the dirty, nasty germs, blood clot and go. When I put out search warrant for me last week because me need for section. Put it out for yourself. You hear that? He that cast the first stone. Don't cast no blood clot stone. It's a class stone for yourself. Be nice. It's getting beyond the fucking joke. You go on and on for tear down people. Queenie disgraceful. No, I'm not. Until there is boundaries and level to stuff. You don't see me get up and chat people business or get in. I don't want to mix up with man because if me chat somebody and they find us for me chat them. But just after I said, Jesus Christ, and tell you back. Admit it if I ever style it out. Me not live with blood clot burden and baggage. Too free lunch. Me and them all say me I carry drugs in that airport. Me look like somebody carry blood clot drugs in that airport. Drugs idiot. And our drugs airport idiot. Which one is it? Ask me the question, I will answer. On a stink and smell like dead blood clot goat. Yeah, with the rankness behind it. Rude. Because no one dim me shine. Because this is me I get a little Grammy. It's true, me I get Grammy. Me and popcorn line tip to tip. What's it to come? Hey, St. Thomas man. Are you that? Hey, St. Thomas. We get one of the biggest insults. I don't know much we got through in our life. You know, I stay behind fake page I type and then think that tomorrow I'm going to name out a rubbish man. What the fuck? My experience and my journey where I can't tackle you. I'm a run blood clot, this one and run me. Remember, if I go so blaps and I turn it on and I go wonder where Queenie there, how the fuck gonna break me? I'm a run this. Pop. Popcorn, pop. Hey man, are you this? Hey, DEXTA DAPS, big up your nice brown eye. With them foot there and a nice shape there. Right now, me I lost off of you, DEXTA, because you look good now, mama bomba blood clot. You know why me I lost off of you? Let me tell you the truth, God, now sit upright, Queenie. As you said, you was running a little joke by saying that woman had crosses. You see right now, me I feel lost off of the crosses brother. Appreciate it, DEXTA. You know why? Me never take it for a joke. Frag say what is joke to you is dead to him. As the contest I contest you as one of my favorite artists that I loved. Me and my kids them DEXTA. Me sure you say it no matter. Me I stand up for me because me no like it. And you know what me do? Use that shame. Your fans them turn for me in the DEXTA. And 3 weeks me myself and God alone. I'ma fight my cuss my ball. Them me pity them take my page, lock it down. My brother, my son. I'm just a go on so everybody have my pussy. I'ma go and body no DEXTA. And so out of that one word becomes double tap. It bring out my talent. It bring out my nice lisp and a rhythm with nice bars. That the world can say them want to hear from Queenie. That the world can book me for say double tap. That the girl can say pussy clean and fat. DEXTA, I love you. DEXTA, I rate you, I honor you, I respect you. You hear that, madam? Whether you hear, whether you want care, I am telling you this. You see the song where the man named last night? Old age, calm down, Queen. Wait, my name? Sicka. You hear that song with Sicka right from last night? I'm in a student and I say, look how me run behind cartel. I said, oh, what is best is that you don't like me, I'm over cartel. I went popcorn trouble me. I will pass through me talking about, but me I get to the right point because I'm an idiot. When popcorn trouble me, I say, Mama no watch no face. When I come a road, you can't touch me anyway. Yeah, the man just give me him strength. And then for 6 around there incline and the man there for 6 months I hold him corner so I just sit back so. And he just send for the dirty disgrace so he just come an empty party. When everybody else come sick around reach and say, Mama, you remember me or you mean me not come to the song when if you can't tell me I must remember you, my dad. I'm going to do the live me and sick around and them restrict me, them block the live. And the man still sends for me and say, Queenie, me have a tune for you. Me are the queen in a deck. One queen in a deck. But some feel like me get the Grammy ready to pussy clap when me hear the song. I'm sung in a sicka rhyme studio last night and I said, God and time, you know. Look how me sitting in the park with them say me I get mad with you and I said to them, say, when if you book me, the producer them when if you find use of me, I must, if me independent, I must wild and leg and turbo. Who put me on that blood clot man and not give me something for do. Remember me did tell you no? Under the dep on the live, if I not all under the dead. And I see the man reach out to me and I say, see God, you see my God is real, you know. And I sit down in the studio last night, you know. And I say, see DEXTA. God used DEXTA as an angel. I fear to Almighty God. Because if DEXTA never trouble me, I think I'm more of a movie star. You know, me a little, do me little entertaining and something. Me now look for say when me hear double tapping the me I say, but me I want big artist, I want proper tune, you know why? The art. This. You see the way I'm hurt? When them I say, me not for vex, because the man call me crosses, me say, no, me I go vex. Because when I look up at my granny say, anything is crosses, spin the roll, destruction. You know I get big and take that word powerful. Yeah. And DEXTA fan them turn against me and me and DEXTA blood clot sang them 1 furlong and me and DEXTA fan them DEXTA DAPS and Queen Lady Gangster versus the fans and the fans is beating Queenie and Queenie is beating them back because Queenie is a crazy, never lazy and DEXTA you know that Queenie love you so why would you call me crosses? I don't like it and the fan is saying that you're exaggerating Queenie, you need to stop it, leave DEXTA alone and joke him down because I don't want to bring a joke with me. Oh, me for shame of myself. I want to break blood clot me. I'm a treasure our Father God give me my whoop me up so and say, come heat up me really do to them. And put the camera in my face. That's a proud fucking queen. Put the crowd aside. Dash off the blood clot crown off of my head and be the woman that I fucking is. And one girl me send it come give. I don't know who I know. I call Cutie name and I apologize until this day because I said to her, I said, Cutie, you see if it's not you, I beg God for forgive me. She said, God is not going to forgive you, Jay. And I love her see me because you see sometimes the people them where you love her for hurt you, for make you get up the ladder. Because many snakes there for bite you. And so when you go up that ladder, you have to know how to fight. Yeah, man. So last time I did a studio, I made it and I say, you know, DEXTA DAPS an angel of God sent for provoke me. Yeah. And then I take the shame and turn fame. And right now, when I hear my voice last night, when sicka rhyme said to me, say, put the earphone and left one ear out that you can't hear clear and then you can't hear the audio. And I saw the man a guideline me, I say, yes, Queenie. Voice train me, yes, Queenie. I just did that talk to myself. I kill me dead in my mind. I get Grammy already. Because I'm so proud of myself. For say, because DEXTA DAPS did I run like a joke. Because like a sexy video when I do, you know. You know, Jamaica man talk, everybody talk different. Like if me have a friend and she see me now, she can't say dirty gangster. Me not have that. Big old gangster, me not run them kind of joke. That's me. If me are you tight and close, yeah, if me are you tight, me not have that. So, as much as my dirty, I have principle and morals in it. Until, you understand? Yeah. So if you see you make me lose blood clot, respect for you and gone off for you, everything empty out now. Move your dirty blood clot, this are empty now. But back to the reason. So now I'm up on a mission, I have a song for do for my daughter. I have a broken heart song for do. I have to do the RIP song that either way because my daughter, I lose my brother July last 2 years and then by the fucking following October I lose my daughter and then in the May I lose my mother brother so I have to do that. What the song there? The RIP song. I used to DEXTA, all of me I go feel Grammy, I go tell them to DEXTA need to come on the stage, come give me the Grammy. I swear. Cause me I tell him remember the man when I get up and I say DEXTA DAPS. My granny say me not like me love myself. He said me you not bash me, I say you know lucky you know go like a phone heartbeat. And my heartbeat no matter when the right sound type say. I'm get up the Monday morning and I remember me have on the tiger print tied. Me a picture it right now. Me I tell you say, you know, my gut it, you know. My backs. Yeah, man. Mr. DEXTA DAPS, my granny said. Yeah, I make my coat. I tell her, you know when I love DEXTA again, in the rat, I want me a hug, you know. And them do an interview and them say, she not even call me name good. Me not old grudge, you know. I can't even do them trouble me and call before I let out my steam, alright. I used to when them lock him up, I crawl on my belly going them damn like one caterpillar. I'm right, Mr. DEXTA DAPS, and you make me turn artist. Freedom is a must. I have to survive. None of blood clot when I can't do me nothing. All who are threatened, true word, sealer. Hear the man sneeze? True, me talk about the security tighten up my head. I'm a very emotional person, at the same time I'm strong and awful and terrible. So the balance. I'm not staying on nothing too long. Yeah. Yeah, man, I owe DEXTA one. And DEXTA, I love you do a song with me too. If I have the next 10 years, I wait. God and time. And you bust me an artist. You bring out my talent, brother. When me listen, nobody call me no crosses. All the queen and the bosses. You better put on your glasses. Someone not even know that song there. Cause the queen and the crosses. The girl power is my team. Say yes. The queen lady. I'm a G. And the first song that me singing out. And then 2 days after, still coming out the kitchen. When we done the crosses last night, and then come 2 days after, 100% still big up yourself. I tell them I'm touring and broken that day, you know. I'm sitting up at the city, you know. I always put the best out. Can be just a happy lucky person. We are going through the worst, I still skip, jump and dance. I just me that. I when still coming up. Me not in a numb blood clot, man, you know. Me hate every man. Cause remember me singling up. Remember next man will make me ball to go and me left. So something have no man. I when Silk come outside, God bless Silk, him so sweet. Silk said, I come to pay you the money, you know, to do the drinks. I said, no, I don't want no money. Can you make the crosses song for me? And him said, no, I'm sticking to my word, take the money. I said, alright, next time I not take no money for you. Come inside my crab a spliff. As him coming out the kitchen, him said to me, say, Queenie, be a girl sending me your pussy, you know. But you should just tell him that your pussy is clean and fat. I said, send a girl a what? It's the way we say it back to Silk as an English root. It just hit him just see the hit. And just start jumping and say, yes, Queenie. I've got faith in you, you know, Queenie. Remember, I don't know turn artist. The man said, I come check before I jiggle. And I'm just showing the energy, you know, I hear when, you know. See, like how sicka come for me. You know? So I laugh after I party boy, party empty. Be busy the whole fuck out party when I keep. I don't fucking care. That's the difference with me. I can't stand losing. At the end of a good day, I try. So, nothing beat a try, but I feel like Silk. And when me Silk in the kitchen, that time I not half have a clue. If you look on the video when me have on the red stripe blouse, me not smile. Me hurt. Beer drunk a dry. What's Queenie? Beer drunk a dry breaks a pitch for me. And when me put up the video in the kitchen, I say, some my pussy clean, some my pussy fat. 1 minute tight, you know. Some me say the pussy gay, I get out. Said the man love to see a lot of that. Me all of that about me and Silk fuck. And you can't determine for people pistol, and it's so rude. You think it's everybody still like, you know, the way I love Silk, me not forget Silk my pussy. I have my fuck Silk, me not afraid for blood clot till cause Silk nor you nor no blood clot, but they can't deny me from myself. So it's on a dirty blood clot, cheesy cocky ranking cocky man where I run me down on a low blood clot me. You hear that? Because when I think so I go keep no blood clot secret for no one and no disrespect me. When I make a sad blood clot mistake, I stay with my old miserable self. Cause me can't make myself happy. You hear that? Yeah. So a man messaged me, I wrote to him about silk, and I'm like, really? So I'm afraid I want blood clot silk, silk the wind up in my fat pussy for free. You don't allow blood clot me, you know. Oh, and allow me. Man, how much I'm gonna take blood clot said pass? I must show me so nice. Really do. But put fun and joke aside, man. Dexter. Yeah, man. As me tell the producer, them me there, I'm on the 3 song a day. Right now, me I wait for 6 for me and him go studio 11 o'clock. Cause Silk have whole heap of potential, you know, but I do gym, I do this, I do that. But where the music is concerned, me you get a hit. They will do 50-year-old, they will do. Me love the artist, yes, me love the artist. Good artist, you know, good producer and good writer, you know. But he just love take him song them and keep them in that garage. Silk, are you there, listen? Silk! Yeah, Silk have enough nice song. I love Silk. When Silk say, Queenie, I've got faith in you. You know, that time in him, so I sit down on the chair now. Come a beg Silk, come and say, I want some of them said my pussy go get. Not that me care though. But do everybody want to beat me off over my own a blood clot pussy when I lend them. I lend them it in the camera and not cuss me. Over my own fucking things. I tell them I say none of blood clot can break me, you know. Because when my father saw I tell a blood clot story when I know nothing about plane and TV and internet and blood clot, Instagram and WhatsApp. You have to listen when them tell us the truth or blood clot false. And when I talk about Bob Marley and some people, how much in thousands of people that I say, I want to get famous. It's truth. And I say if them boo me, I don't care. I was born for this shit. And from a little bit, I like to be fucking seen. So I don't think I can discriminate. Blood clot me show you something. I don't want to tell myself my foot dry. This is what I want to ask you. I don't have a reason now. Me show you how natural and there's so much fake in the world. Why not have to watch me? Me live at Tottenham. 5 minutes from West Green Road. If I drive at 5 minutes, if I walk is 10 minutes. I may get up, I may have a my little dress. I may go West Green Road, I don't see my foot white and I got to tell me my foot white. So when I tell me, every time I take the camera, I have to look for the fault them. So I can't be natural, I can't get up no time and I have no lotion for please. You know, no make no blood clot sense. No make no sense. I never born in a lotion. Me eat blood clot lotion, sometimes it's sticky in a pussy clot. Sometimes I go out when I reach all the party, I say all the handbag, Rochelle used to take her spit. Rochelle! The chest name. Rochelle used to take her spit. I said, oh my God, mom! I say, Rochelle, don't put a spit on me. Natural. Someone go like you do them something. I'm not sure man own blood clot spit. You understand me? When I see me that like a boogie is like a one man me dead, me kill. You see me appear to the man and journey dirty nasty blood clot. Sometimes I just alright madman time. You know see me going to the Tina Town yesterday morning and 2 hour time and I see the same ear flick. And by yesterday I dash that and today and I see this neat. And I can't study me. And I can't study me. Me all purpose. Material things come and material things blood clot go. And I put on my energy and my power I have and my motivation to the world. My love and my care. For all of mine blood clot me. So oh no for win me when me so positive. But me sit down in on the face. Oh me was so positive and optimistic. Have so much good motivation to ladies, kids, man, woman and blood clot dog. And under the band fake page that type about me. And that's gonna make me no function. That's gonna make my organization. And you see no matter how the chat, but I still do my odds. And you see me a port, and you see me a restaurant. Who are the idiot? Me on a reason. Who are the idiot, sir? I'm telling you all the way, I don't want a blood clot surfer because I have no sore foot. You hear that? I not trust no blood clot body more than myself. And I believe that. So no not think me I eat that. Me not trust no blood clot body because me no know who tear me down, you know. So everybody's a suspect, true word. Them meds there. I don't understand the levels of this. Why you not think so I can have the ears so I look so upright? Me have 50 blood clot to look for me. Fresh. Me no bleach. Me never no makeup more than look up as the eyelash them. My natural face this. Blessing do this. All when you see them two laugh line I want collapse. That come with the age and the menopause. But me I not reach. Take me and put me to great use. I'm a great woman. Stop undermining me and talk about me for going I've been. Me not fucking been idiot. You been skin out if you not throw me in that, man. My energy pluck out if you not throw me in that. Me not going on a bin. And you can't say, oh, she have mental health. In fact, of the matter, all of us got mental health in some different type of way. I am just a trigger-head person, left to my growth and my experience as a kid. I'm very defenseful. Because I grow by my own by myself, so I have to protect myself. You understand me? I don't understand them little thing there. Me never go to one cousin or uncle or auntie and say help me. I must them venticate, fight my back for myself. You understand? I see if you don't help me, I love you. If you help me, I love you. It depends on me. So if you make a decision and it turn bad, I cope with it. You see if it turn good, I cope with it. But see when you say to me, say, Queenie, don't go ball. And because you make me not ball, my pussy drop out. I said, Jesus Christ, that's true. She tell me not ball. No, me not do them something. Me hear the whole on ask about Cornell. Let me tell you this. I'm not put no cocky in my pussy. I don't like to make private mischief. Cornell gone to prison for 5 years. I'm used to take Cornell. When me tease the fuck off a Cornell and tell Cornell say me no want Ziggy at Jamaica for no, Cornell print me out and put me on him Instagram. My picture them with me and him on him Instagram. You see the way me real I'm playing? And me not take things by my blood clot head. Make me tell you my business because I forgot kill my nasty blood clot because me talk about my truth. Yeah? I know me broken and a ill. You know want dictate to me what you think my life is, but listen to the reason. I show now how much me go through. Me need to get my TV show. Cause I waste blood clot money. I saw. Me say I fly in a private blood clot jet by now. So August 4th, Spice I keep her birthday party at Jamaica 2016. Either the 4th or the 5th. Watch how my heart start beat. When I wake up, I say, no, somebody for and get back tight again. I hope the lives are wait this sweet. Somebody from England said to me, say, if I go up on Cornell Instagram. So I say, what you mean? She said, the video where me attack to Ziggy and call Cornell and a ball hit the part. This is 2016 and a nasty blood clot. So now I don't not even see the video. I know the video. So me I tell her, I go see you and I go see me in my blind ear, a ball out, me look good. Anyway, the girl must sit up on this too. And I say, so Cornell baby mother thief the phone, take the video with me is there at Jamaica, cause through me bust by myself I tell them, because I said, do it, Ziggy, why am I calling that new? What you call it blood clot husband name for? Yeah. Weird enough. So this is me. My bad na blood clot. I call up all of my ex them there. My bad blood clot girl on the go. Anyway, so I say, Ziggy, I now come back to Jamaica because I screech and take a man of England and the man of blackmail me. I'm not take blackmail. I'm just go on the Instagram the man and I said, no blood clot man now blackmail me. They never kill me. I said, I stay for truth. I said, no man now blackmail me before I bust by my blood clot before I bust. I just call my man at Jamaica and tell him. Cut long story short, Ziggy said, come see him here. When I reach at Jamaica, I find out what you mean tremble. When I look at the phone, I ring Cornell, I ring the phone, I start tremble. So I say, me now outside. Bloop, the man answer the phone. Me now talk, no, you know. So you told him I talk, no, I beat me dumb. I speak the truth and nothing but my truth. Anyway, that is that them so them say. Come back to England now. No! We are talking Queenie reach a part there. So me I go to August 4 now. So remember now me Jamaica now. And boss say me take a man and I say no me and my man in attention and about whatever the case and I accept it, innit? Whatever. Blaps now. August 4 now me get a call from England say me dey on Instagram a ball to Colonel. Me say what? He said we go back Colonel page. The video when we sent to Colonel per WhatsApp as a Colonel. You not pick it up. I think you're afraid of you need to answer me, Colonel. The girl find it to say and post it on Colonel Instagram and take a Colonel phone. So Colonel could not get to take it down. You see me, Queen Lady Gangster Scarlet. Look. Me, Queen Lady Gangster Scarlet, want herself going to bed. On a gnarly fissy. We love ourselves. Self-preservation. I take the video, see. I don't remember. I take the video, see. And I just said to the baby mother, I said, hey girl, I look good in a blood clot a ball. It's not a goat me a ball to girl. It's not a lizard me a ball to. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a fixer. And the girl, I'm gonna ring the phone now. She up on blood clot, it's in a fake page. She one of them will trouble me about, but don't mind you. But they do one video say, yeah, your baby father, I don't want to say some rude stuff will come about terribly there. Anyway. So, which part I reach? The girl now. I'm gonna reach Queenie, kinda like people business to listen. Yeah. So the girl now. How much something my brain's freeze when I remember. We drink some drink. The girl. Oh, so I'm ring him phone now. Remember Jamaica did me then, so I'm gonna ring the number. She said to me, say, did you enjoy sucking off my pussy off Colonel's dicks? I say, yes. That's why I'm calling out for give a body wash. Your pussy sweet off of the dick and right now your body will lick out. You know? You're hold. Colonel don't want to. I say, me no want blood clot. Colonel, my bar too fuck off a Colonel. My inside dirty blood clot. Here, hold me say, you keep your dirty blood clot, baby father. You run and left your pitney for 6 months and may be father that babysit him. Babysit the little girl. And you know that girl. You see people have gratitude. She rinsed me in her class. Me rinse her back in the but you know what I rate her for? She messaged me back upon Colonel number and she said, thanks for taking care of my child for 6 months. So that alone, and me usually say she go kick me up, she go this, I don't pay her, I don't mind. Now if me say her now, I don't know her. You understand? So me and Colonel have a history. But me and Colonel don't fuck from them time there. So when I put Colonel cock in my pussy, when I can't put Colonel cock in my pussy until me put it in my pussy. When I think cocky and pussy is hard. When I think people can be closer, have plans and relationship. It's a fucking, it's a dangerous blood clot thing. Me tell what somebody this evening say, it's a silk that fuck me. With a disgrace sick long blood clot time per Instagram. You hear that? Yeah. I love silk so much. You see silk that in cocky, it just a little split in that cocky so you push your tongue in or something. You know like a split there. You see it's just a little split there. Look up on the tip of my clit. But I write up blood clot silk already. You know how much time I call silk and say, silk, what about the song them? Silk, you come, you hype me up on this big song or whatever. Sometime I call say, Queenie man, I'm in the gym and I found you back. Me and him would have it out long time. So when I look paranoid, I say, some people even like no so my old meds. And it's not everything fit everybody. You understand me? I have me fuck and feel for hide for fuck it. Me feel for hide for fuck it, but me not go discuss a fuck. Cause my body I'm bold enough. So if you ask me a question, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't answer. But if me no blood clot it, and I go tell no pussy blood clot like on me and threaten me for cocky when me never have a blood clot taste. What the fuck? Only thing me cocky blood clot frighten me. Not frighten over cocky, you know. The amount of body, the amount of cocky when we get to the wife for them at daytime. That them something that impressed me. Rochelle used to throw the phone from before Rochelle did. I said, oh mom, you know these pervs. All different age, old, young, 15-year-old. Sometimes I say, trouble no one get me now. Leave me the fuck alone. So me and I about laugh after me. I tell you now different thing. You see, one man girl are greedy and a gold digger. You not even know love and true love and real love and in love. You know why? You love the things that the man them can buy, you know, the burger them, one bedspread, any little sweets, material things, and that you know love. So you don't see that truth and that love in that person. I want to have 6 other blood clots, man. So I put on the head in a 7 basket. Me know the whole blood clot grey pussy full up. Put my head in a 1 true though. Put my head in a 1 basket. So I never have no little backup. X and a backup. X if you want a little comfort, you say, alright, you're going to start something or whatever. You see when they have X, them hold too much grudge and bring up too much memories. Everybody different. Me never take back a X yet. There's a first every blood clot thing, but everybody different. My baby father will make it 5 pin. If you say, oh, me and him live blood clot with him, I think me take him. No. Me just a loving person. I have me take 6 somebody, the 6 of them can do on them one another. Who are screw, who are brew, who are low. Me are dads. You understand me? Me no mingle and give mixed message. So send my body and I climb the blood clot tower. Me I climb it if me drop my blood clot drop, but at the top me I go. But me still I say, in case me drop, I prepare to take that drop. No, put me in a rubbish pan still between me and you. You understand? I don't care laugh after me. When me at 51, me turn artist. I right by that me married. Who don't care laugh after blood clot me by a hot girl. You understand me? I am a wife. You understand me? Get that opportunity. One of my most wish being a wife. I'm blessing to my husband every time and wish for you there. I still a send shower blessing for you. Wherever you and a commitment, I cover you. Yeah, you're still my husband. I still have your name. Now wishing about baby. Whatever fuck you go on, it can't come back life short. Big up yourself anywhere you're there and be safe. You hear that? Your wife love you, do your thing. Fair enough. Just be safe. Bad word not gonna win. That is a hot minute and then you say fuck off. The 2 happy go lucky are full of life and fight. And you know it's long. So we do that for a hot minute. I don't want that no more. You understand? Fuck that. So all when I write at that, me still a wife, yes to that. And no matter who no one chat me, so I'm still threatened by blood clot me. All when you know wine from the cocky now and then when I go hear somebody I play my voice. Now I wonder if somebody I do I go play Queenie. I wanna hear my voice. Woo! One Queenie at the deck.